This video is sponsored by Squarespace, the place to go to if you want to set up your own slick-looking website or online store. Okay, here we go. Sometimes it's not about what is added to a new product, sometimes it's about what is taken away. I mean, think superleggera cars. They take away your radio, your electric windows, your sunroof, just to make the car lighter in weight so it's faster, and then bump up the price. Then there's also leggera pizzas, lower calories, lower taste. So what's the deal with a Mavic 3 Classic then? Well, they say it hasn't been compromised on juiciness, nor is it lighter in weight. In fact, quite a lot of it is the same as the Mavic 3. Think of the 4/3 Hasselblad camera, which is good for 12.8 stops of dynamic range, with the f2.8 to f11 adjustable aperture. I mean, you kind of have to forgive me for not being so surprised by the specs, because I'm just reeling off the same specs as the Mavic 3. I mean, I can fake the surprise if you want me to. It takes 20 megapixel stills. Wow! Amazing! Give me that burst of them, you know, seven burst. 5.1K, core blind, almost cacked my pants there. And 4K 60, woo! Whew. And yes, slow motion, 4K 120. It's a little bit cropped in there. All right, sit back down again. In terms of the image, it should look pretty much exactly the same as the Mavic 3's got your, well, you've got normal here, normal picture profile, D-Log, hybrid log gamma, H.265. Sorry, I forgot the fake surprise there. Holy crap, magic wow! But also because it's exactly the same aircraft shell as the Mavic 3, it has got the same battery, so 46 minutes of flight time, also exactly the same. I'm just going to give up with a fake surprise. So yes, same. So it also has the omnidirectional 8 vision sensors, which means it should be very difficult, I'm not going to say impossible, to stack it into a tree. That's teamed with APAS 5.0 too. What else? You've got 15 kilometers transmission. Just on a side note, I think these controllers are really cool, the ones with the integrated screen on it, because then I can have my iPhone free for other stuff like ordering Deliveroo. Deliver to a bench in the middle of a random place. Okay, perfect. So I hear you ask, well, I can't actually hear you because you're over there and I'm over here, but let's just pretend. How exactly is it different? Well, look here, you've got your zoom here, 1 times, 2 times. I'm suddenly picking up some Wyclef Jean vibes there. No, so zoom 3 times. That right there is digital zoom. This doesn't have the optical zoom of the Mavic 3. And that's pretty much it. Okay, see you later, bye. No, not really. So it is cheaper. This is more accessible. It's more affordable, of course, than the Mavic 3. Not by much, you know, just a few £100. Still cheaper, isn't it? I mean, for drone only, this is £1,300 compared to the £1,700 of the Mavic 3. Also, this doesn't have some of the perks of the Cine version of the Mavic 3, like the internal storage, but then the Mavic 3 doesn't have those perks. Yeah, it doesn't seem like much for a new product, but I think taking away the zoom and saving £400, that's a pretty good thing. I mean, personally, do I ever find myself using my Mavic 3 and going like this, oh, I must see my face, I've got to zoom in. No, never. Which is why this is just right for me. Fixed focal length, and fixed focal length, it does have the 24mm focal length of the Mavic 3. Same. Wider than the 28mm of the Mavic 2, and that's what DJI are trying to appeal to current Mavic 2 owners who might think that the Mavic 3 is a little bit too expensive and they don't really need the zoom feature. So essentially it's most of the goodness of the Mavic 3 with less of the priceness. That's it. See ya. This video is sponsored by Squarespace. If you want to set up your own domain, online retail space or website, it's super simple to get started and make your next move with Squarespace, with an easy to use interface filled with loads of templates and backed up with 24/7 customer service. You can try it out with a 14-day free trial and get 10% off your first order with this link and discount code.